Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs with sausage. Start by browning about 8 ounces of your favorite breakfast sausage in a large skillet over medium heat. As it cooks, use a spatula to break it into small, bite-sized crumbles. This ensures even cooking and a delightful texture in every bite. Once the sausage is fully cooked and nicely browned, carefully drain off any excess grease. This step is crucial for a less oily and more enjoyable final dish. Now, let's prepare our eggs. In a separate bowl, crack 6 large eggs. Add about 2 tablespoons of milk or cream for extra richness and fluffiness. Season generously with a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Whisk everything together vigorously until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This aeration is key to achieving perfectly light and tender scrambled eggs. With your sausage ready, it's time to bring in the eggs. Pour the whisked egg mixture directly into the skillet with the cooked sausage. Reduce the heat slightly to medium-low. Gently stir the eggs and sausage together, moving the mixture around the pan. Continue cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the eggs are just set but still wonderfully moist and creamy. Avoid overcooking to maintain their tender texture. To elevate your dish, consider a sprinkle of fresh chopped chives or parsley right before serving. These fresh herbs add a vibrant color and a lovely, subtle flavor that complements the eggs and sausage beautifully. Serve your perfectly cooked eggs and sausage immediately, perhaps alongside some toast or a fresh fruit salad. This simple yet incredibly satisfying meal is ready in under 15 minutes and is sure to become a breakfast favorite.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.